These are no ordinary bicycle tubes. These extra strong inner tubes stop flats for 2 years because there is slime inside. Slime tube sealant seeks out and instantly seals punctures in your tubes up to 1/8, 3 mm, using Fibro-Seal Technology. Designed specifically to stop tube punctures from ruining your ride and keep you going. Presta Valve tube, that installs like any traditional inner tube and full instructions inside every pack. Environmentally friendly. Non-toxic, non-corrosive and non-hazardous, non-flammable, water-soluble. Top reviews from the United States. Works as advertised. Was going for a ride in the morning and I had a flat, was in a hurry so I took my road bike and left my mountain bike to sit. Next day I noticed the tire was flat but had a little pressure so I aired it up and let it sit overnight. Have now ridden on it 3 times and no issues. IOW the goo sealed the flat without me having to make a repair. My guess is these fix a lot of flats that some folks don't even know about, but in this case I did.